Welcome back to today's video and welcome back to my backyard. It's like the last week or two we've been back here. However, today we are going to teach you a new skateboarding trick so that you guys can go to the skate park, go out into the wild, and look like you know what you're doing. So last week I actually taught you guys how to ollie. This week we're going to be teaching you guys how to do the shove it or the pop shove it. I'll be real with y'all, super easy trick. It's one of the first tricks that most people do learn. You can do it stationary, you can do it while moving. The biggest thing you want to avoid is jumping forward or jumping backwards. You just want to jump straight up. If you're moving, still straight up, because the laws of motion are going to carry you with your board. You're in motion, so you're going to stay in motion. Everything that's under you is also going to stay under you because of the inertia, okay? This will be one of the easiest tricks you do, if not the easiest. Takes almost no skill. You just got to be confident, and you just got to be willing to jump. That's it. So I'm going to be teaching you guys 10 steps on how to do this trick. 5 steps are pretty much a prerequisite. It's just training. So it's really actually 5 steps on how to do the pop shove it or the shove it. As you guys can see, I'm holding this Pepsi can in my hand. Find something flat, find something like this that you can flatten. Piece of paper, a leaf, this, maybe a flat rock, whatever. You're gonna put this on the ground and you're gonna put your foot over it, whichever one you're gonna be doing the scooping motion with. Now this is gonna teach you how to do that scooping motion and be more comfortable with it. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and grab it, put it somewhere on the ground, and you're gonna stand over it, just like this. With my left foot is usually what I initiate the trick with. It's what I jump off of. We're gonna widen our stance, right? So that's step 1 and 2 already. Step 3, you wanna bend your knees. Again, like I told you in the last video, bending your knees is key. If you don't bend your knees, you're gonna fall. You're gonna lose your balance. Worst case scenario, you're gonna break something, you're gonna tear something. You don't want that. So bend those knees. Step 4, you're gonna actually do the scooping motion. As simple as bending your knees and kicking that can behind you. So I didn't even move it, I just did the motion. You really wanna move it. Probably gonna be easier if you're not on dirt. So I would recommend just putting it back on the ground and doing it for another 15 tries if you're not good with it. And just here, bend those knees, and you always wanna be looking at your board. So you can take your foot, put it over, and you can add the jump to this one. And as long as it gets behind you, you are solid, you're golden. That's how you do the trick. So scoop, jump, land. Again, super simple. You can learn this in the dirt. You can learn this while riding. You can learn it in the grass. Wherever you feel comfortable, this one is the most easiest trick. And again, it's a simple mechanic all in your leg. You already know how to kick back like that. I mean, and in short, that's how you do the shove it or pop shove it. Just bring the board off the ground. That's a pop shove it. Otherwise, if you just slide it back, kind of how I'm teaching you today, it is just a normal shove it. I know this was a shorter video. However, this trick actually is a lot less technical than the ollie. So there's not much depth to go into. It's super simple. I would love to see you guys execute the trick. So if you guys can, at me on Blue Sky, tweet me on Blue Sky, whatever the word might be for that app. And I'd love to see your guys' video. It'd be sick. Again, sorry for the short video, but again, I did want to teach you guys how to do this trick, and unfortunately, it just is not that hard. So that also doesn't mean a long video. Just stick around to the end. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys learned something. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment down below, and make sure you guys read the description and follow me on some of my social media. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.